Alright, hello guys, my name is Dennis, thanks for coming to my channel, and today I'm going to install that the kit. It's called new white door seal kit. It's for to make my car a little bit quieter. I'm going to show you how it looks now. Okay, that comes with that package. That's the name of the company. I ordered on Amazon, and it comes with the sealing for the rear trunk, for the hood cover. I'm going to try with the hood cover, and the left right door. Let me try with the hood. Alright, so like I told you, I will start with the front, and first I'm gonna clean this part just with the regular wipe, and then I'm gonna use that. It's called primer adhesion promoter. I'm gonna clean that. And then after I clean everything, I'm just gonna peel this thing. I'm gonna start in here, and it's gonna be all over of the hood. I'm gonna show you the rest when I finish. Just simply remove this piece and just stick it to the hood. And after I stick everything, I'm just gonna make sure that it stick it well. I'm just gonna try to go around again to see if everything is great as it's supposed to be, and then I'm gonna let it stay for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna try to close my hood. We'll see. Alright, and it stays like this, like for a few minutes, and now I'm gonna try to close. Let's see if it's gonna close properly. If it's gonna be no problems, then I'm gonna push here. Okay, looks like no problem here. Everything is good. Over here is actually the little piece of that wood. I don't know if it's a good thing. I don't know if the water not gonna be there. I don't know if you can see here. You see that hole? I don't know if it's a good thing. And from the other side, it looks like everything fine, because there was the other piece with the close end. I don't know. I'm gonna figure out what to do with that. But it looks great. Let's see if it's open. That's my application. Open. Okay. Very nice. No problem. It's open, and I think everything's great. But I need to do something with that piece. Something, just close it up. Okay. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to remove that right now. Actually, yes, I think I'm gonna remove it, this piece, and I'm gonna just add another piece with the close end. Alright, and I just remove a little bit piece. You can see here, and just got it there, and I add another piece with the close end. And I'm gonna try to close the trunk right now. Let me just add my stuff here, but I don't need it there. And let's try to close it and see how it's gonna be. Okay, and it looks like it's closed perfectly. Let's see here. Yeah, very good. It's actually a little bit there. I'm gonna do it like that. I think it's good there. Alright, everything's perfectly. I'm gonna try to do the door, and I'm gonna show it to you how it looks like. Alright, so the next one I'm gonna do my side door. Again, I'm gonna clean here this thing, everything, and then I'm gonna add that how it's called again, adhesion primer, whatever, this thing, and we'll see how it's gonna be. Let me add it, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. And I did that, and it's also not in the size correctly, because you can see here it's like this much. You can see here everything is good, and you can see here it's a little bit longer than it's supposed to be. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this piece and I'm gonna cut the other piece. Alright, so I'm cut a few pieces. I don't know if it's a good thing, but I mean, what I have to do. I got it here and I got it over here. Over here looks better. And actually, let me try to close my door. Okay, let's see. Okay, very nice. It flows perfectly. You can see here, nothing there. Let's see how it's open. Alright. Also no problem here. I hope it's gonna make a little bit of the difference. And it's a wind, it's closed my door. Alright, let me try to do the other door. And the same thing here. Actually, I didn't do it correctly. I hope it's not the problem. The same thing here. It's a little bit more piece here and a little bit more piece over there. I don't know if you can see here. The same thing, I'm gonna cut it. And I think it's gonna be the same thing for all the doors. And I did everything here. Let me just try to close my door. Let's see. Okay, no problem. Looks like nothing here, nothing there. Very good. Okay, guys, and I'm gonna do the all doors and a trunk. I'm gonna show you how I do the trunk, and pretty much that's it. And I will let you know later if it's gonna be any difference. And I'm finished the trunk. It comes with 3 pieces. It's also not in the size. The one piece is here, the other one is going over here, and the toyed one, of course, is going over here, and it's also not in the size too. Everything is not in the size, but that's alright. Alright, guys, and I'm finished everything. That's the trunk. I think you can see here, and that's the trunk. That the rear left door. Also, the front door I will show it to you already, and let me show you that rear door. Also, you can see here, and it goes everything by the end, and it's closed perfectly. And that's the passenger side door. Also, everything is good, everything is perfect. It's not everywhere. I have to cut a little bit pieces, but other than that, everything is perfect. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'm gonna post next video soon. Thank you. Bye bye.